Namaskar. The Ananda Marga path is the path of Dharma. What does Dharma mean? Dharma is the intrinsic nature of an object. In other words, the Dharma of fire is its burning capacity. If it didn't burn, it wouldn't be fire. The Dharma of water is its wetness. So the Dharma of a human being is to experience oneness with cosmic consciousness. My master said, Shrii Shrii Anandamurtijii said, there is in the living being a thirst for limitlessness. And unless and until we move along a spiritual path and try to experience limitlessness within our own self, we will be engaged in trying to satisfy that infinite thirst through name, fame, power, money, and so on and so forth. So there's a difference between Dharma, or the closest word in English would be spirituality. Not ghosts and spirits, but spirituality, knowing my true self, and religion. And some of the notable differences is that Dharma is universal. Religion tends to divide people into groups. Dharma is not related to a certain place, and religion gives importance to a certain holy land. Dharma is not limited to a selected person, groups of people, not a chosen race. It is for all humans, because all humans have infinite thirst and want to experience it in themselves, knowingly or unknowingly. Dharma is liberating and unifying. Religion divides us into groups. Sometimes, as we've seen in history, these have been the cause of much bloodshed and suffering in the world. Dharma is basic to every human being's desire, and the inner voice is our guide. Whereas in religion, we're listening to someone who may be the mediator between us and God. Dharma is rational and scientific. Heaven and hell are states of mind. They're not places where we go when we die. And Dharma is based on helping us to evolve towards loving God, not fearing God. It's a movement from fearful love to fearless love. Because that entity, that loving entity, is within each and every being, and we can serve it, and we can experience it through spiritual practice. There are no rituals or dogmas that we follow. Any dogma is that which narrows our concept of reality. And some religions say, don't speak that, your tongue will fall off, the devil is tempting you. Spirituality or Dharma encourages questions, because everything has an answer. It may not be easy for us to understand at that moment in time, but as we do more and more meditation, we understand more and more things within ourselves. These truths reveal themselves within us. So these are some of the fundamental differences between Dharma, spirituality, and religion, and the path which we are teaching and which we hope that everybody would follow is a Dharmic path to realize their transcendental oneness with cosmic consciousness. Thank you. Namaskar.